Are your push-up reps completely stuck? You hit 20, maybe 30, and then your arms instantly give up. Your chest starts burning, your breathing falls apart, and suddenly your body feels weak. That's not bad genetics. That's bad endurance training. Most people spend months doing normal sets and still never come close to 100 push-ups. Why? Because high-level push-up endurance is built differently. If you're trapped in a push-up plateau right now, listen carefully, because the real problem isn't your strength, it's the way you train. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They train push-ups like a strength exercise instead of an endurance system. 3 sets of 10 with long rest periods might build some push-up strength, but it does almost nothing for real muscular endurance. Why? Because your body adapts to comfort. The moment you fully recover between sets, you kill the fatigue adaptation that high-rep push-ups actually require. Real endurance conditioning comes from forcing your muscles, lungs, and nervous system to keep working under layered fatigue and longer time under tension. That's how elite bodyweight athletes build insane push-up endurance. And the elite trick is forcing the body to keep pushing after it wants to quit. So what's the fastest way to break a push-up plateau that's been stuck for months? Most people think they need more sets, more motivation, or more chest strength. Wrong. The real secret is forcing the body to keep producing reps after fatigue already kicks in. That's where the 100 push-up ladder comes in. This isn't some normal push-up routine with clean little rest periods. It's a brutal push-up progression built around continuous fatigue and endurance overload. You'll move from the hardest push-up variations to the easiest without properly recovering. Why? Because high-rep push-ups are built when the body is forced to survive under exhaustion. And something crazy starts happening during the final phases. Your body begins unlocking extra reps that normally never appear during standard training. Step 1. Decline push-ups. This is where the real challenge starts. Put your feet on a chair, bench, or anything elevated. That angle shifts more pressure onto your upper chest, shoulders, and triceps while creating much harder leverage. And that's exactly why we begin here. Starting with the hardest variation activates more muscle fibers early and overloads your pushing strength fast. Your goal is simple, perfect form until complete failure. Chest to the floor. Full lockout. No half reps. Your arms should already feel heavy within seconds. And this is exactly why the next step feels impossible. Now here's where most people mentally break. The moment those decline push-ups fail, you immediately switch into standard push-ups, no rest at all. And trust me, this part feels brutal. Your chest is already fatigued, your triceps are on fire, and suddenly even normal push-ups start feeling heavy. Why? Because now your nervous system is being forced to produce reps under exhaustion instead of comfort. This is the exact point where most people quit training endurance and start protecting themselves from fatigue. Their arms start shaking, their lungs start burning, and every rep feels slower than the last. But if you can push through this phase without stopping, something unexpected starts happening to your rep count. And the third phase is where that hidden endurance finally starts showing up. Ever notice how your body suddenly finds extra reps the moment an exercise gets slightly easier? That's exactly why incline push-ups are the third phase. The second standard push-ups fail, place your hands on a bench, chair, or counter, and keep going immediately. The incline advantage reduces the leverage just enough to give your muscles a second life, but don't get comfortable. Your chest, shoulders, and triceps are still heavily fatigued. You're simply extending the set while your body stays under continuous pressure. And this is where endurance accumulation really starts exploding, because your body learns to tolerate fatigue longer instead of escaping it. And now comes the phase almost nobody trains long enough. Think the workout is basically over once you reach knee push-ups? That's exactly why most people never build elite push-up endurance. By this stage, your chest is completely drained, your triceps feel dead, and your arms are trembling just trying to stay off the floor. But instead of stopping, you keep pushing, rep after rep. This final burnout phase forces your muscles and nervous system to keep working even after your body wants to quit completely. And this is where the real transformation starts happening. Your endurance grows, your rep ceiling begins breaking, and your brain slowly stops panicking under fatigue. Because your body discovers new endurance only when escape is no longer possible. So how do you actually use this routine without destroying your recovery? Simple. Run the full ladder 2 to 3 times per session, around 3 to 4 days per week. That's more than enough to build serious push-up endurance if you stay consistent. And don't make the mistake of training to complete exhaustion every single day. Your muscles only adapt when recovery adaptation happens properly. Sleep matters, hydration matters, protein matters. If your recovery is terrible, your rep growth will be terrible too. Focus on gradual progression instead of ego. 1 extra rep every week might not sound impressive now, but over a few months, it completely changes your endurance level. A few weeks into this routine, something strange starts happening. The reps that used to destroy you suddenly feel controlled. Your chest looks fuller, your upper body feels stronger, and your push-up endurance starts climbing faster than expected. Then one day, you hit a number that used to feel impossible: 40, 60, maybe even 100 push-ups in a single set. Most people will try this workout once and quit the second it gets uncomfortable. But the people who stay consistent are the ones who eventually build insane endurance and hit 100 push-ups for real. If you're serious about transforming your body weight strength, hit subscribe, because the next video might be the exact thing your body is missing.